John Van Linen, New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, and every now and then something special really comes along that you just fall in love with. Well, number 14, Grand Oaks, Palmerston North, is that property. An award-winning, high-quality Alfresco home with a guest bedroom down and 4 up, but it has a flavour that no other has in the marketplace. High-quality home, 3-car internal access garaging. We have the swimming pool. We have 1,000 square metres of section, but just walk in and love it. That's what we think, and we know you'll love what we're going to show you. So let's have a little wander through. Well, it's so easy to fall in love with every feature of this home. Look at the volume of that ceiling and how the floor plan works. We have a formal dining, of course. We have a fabulous family lounge and a small but very quaint media lounge. And of course, here we have the living, which has all the features that you could ever want to design and build. So without question, this is the first call to us, and we'd love to show you through as quickly as we can because it just will not last. Number 14, Grand Oaks in Palmerston North. Call Michelle and myself, we'd love to show you through.